I'm Roo Anderson and I do level 1 painting and decorating. So we learn to wallpapering, we learn to paint, we learn decorative effects, so like sponge stippling, rag rolling off, rag rolling on, stenciling. Then we learn to use different types of paints, like oil paints, and then water-based paints. We come during the day when this classes were on with my dad, and we looked around Station Plaza, and then we were sent down here to look at painting and decorating. Spoke to Tony about what the course was and what we do, and yeah, it was really helpful. Yeah, they're really good. You have all the different paint, you obviously have all the materials you need. They're constantly with all the paintbrushes on the wall, and you have loads of different types of paintbrushes. Everything you need to learn, they have materials for, and like equipment that you would use. So I haven't had to get any myself or anything. The library is really helpful. There's such good facilities everywhere. You've got the computer rooms, you've got the library with all the different textbooks. You can study in the workshops, and there's everything there that you need. Yeah, we worked on a movie set. It was up on Magdalen Road, but it was for a creepy sort of movie, so it worked quite well with all the dormitories and the bathrooms. And I think we painted one dormitory, one bathroom, and we painted a movie ticket office bit. I really got on here. I come to college and I just completely flourished. I turned into the person I think I was supposed to be. I wasn't the best at secondary school, so I come here and I've really turned into myself.